ingredients for this recipe: all-purpose flour or maida, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda and baking powder, milk, soft butter, choco chips, buttermilk, and vanilla essence. We will begin by mixing of all the dry ingredients. Add all-purpose flour or maida 1 cup. Now add baking powder half teaspoon. Baking soda half TBSP. Cocoa powder 1/8 cup. And now sift all the dry ingredients together and give a good mix. Now take another bowl, add milk 2/3 cup, buttermilk 2 tablespoons, sugar 1/8 cup, and soft butter 2 tablespoons. But before adding the butter, please give a good mix to make sure the sugar is combined with the milk and the buttermilk. And now add the butter and give a good whisk by hand or by whisk machine. Now the butter is combined. Now we're gonna add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and we will mix it again. Now add all the dry ingredients in the bowl and give a good mix. See, I'm so fast. Now add 1 more tablespoon of milk as the batter is too thick for the pancakes, and make sure that there is no lumps in it. Now add choco chips to give more chocolate flavor in it and mix again. The batter is ready. This is the consistency we are looking. Now grease the preheated flat pan with the butter Now pour some batter to make the chocolate pancake and spread properly. Flip this over very carefully. Let's take this out, and I think it's done. Here we go, our chocolate pancakes are ready, and we can decorate with some red grapes and serve with ice cream, or you can drizzle with some chocolate sauce or ganache on the pancakes, or you can spread some Nutella. It's completely on you. It looks nice, yummy. Did you see how easy it is to make the chocolate pancake, and on the top of that, that's an eggless. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and families, and please do subscribe to my channel. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye.